Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, I'm super excited, and I know you hear that a lot, that I'm super excited to share with you, but guess what? I have a lot of new items to decorate my fireplace this year with, so I'm excited about that because the items that I have all tie in really nicely with one another. So I cannot wait to share with you guys what I have to decorate my fireplace with. And then I want to share with you over the weekend, so Sunday, I took my grandkids over to my mom and dad's house and surprised them with a real Christmas tree, because if you've been following my channel for a while now, you know my mom had a heart attack probably over a year ago. She had her heart attack and she's doing pretty good. I mean, she does have heart failure and she's just doesn't have the energy that she used to have. But she is with us, so we're thankful for that. And I had my mom and dad here for Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys enjoyed your family and your friends for Thanksgiving. Like I said, all my family was here for Thanksgiving, so I had a full house. And then I decided that I'd go over there, you know, because she doesn't have the energy to decorate. So I thought I'd go over there and surprise them with the grandkids and bring a real Christmas tree that they usually get every year. So on Sunday, I surprised them with probably about a 5-foot tree. That's the size that my dad normally gets every year. So they were happy about that because it fit in their spot perfectly. And then I brought everything they needed to decorate the tree. And I thought, you know what? My mom can sit on the couch and my dad will turn on some Christmas music and they can watch the grandkids decorate the tree. So that's pretty much what we did. I made sure I brought over the hot chocolate. I brought over some chocolate chip cookies for the kids to bake in the oven. So it turned out to be a wonderful day. So I was happy about that. My mom said she was really, you know, she was almost in tears, you know, that she was that happy that we were there because she wasn't feeling good that day. And she said it was just what she needed. So let's get into decorating. I'm going to share with you guys what I got from some of the stores. Some of the items, I'll try to give you the correct prices. I don't have any of the tags on them, but let's start with Kirkland's. So I went over to Kirkland's, and again, I love shopping in my mom's area because the Kirkland's over there is huge. They just have a beautiful store over there, and I'm just amazed when I walk in there. But my mom does live an hour away, so you know, I don't go over there. You know, a lot of times she comes to my house like once a week, and then sometimes I go over there. So when I am there, I will take advantage and go to some of the stores there. But I got these little lighted presents here with the little red and black buffalo check. Absolutely love this because this is going to tie in with the rest of my decor on my mantle. And now I just looked them up at Kirkland's. You can get a set of these in 3, and I think they're on sale for $41. But when I was at the store, they were individually priced. So I'm thinking it's very possible that maybe this one could have been around $12.99. I got a bigger one here. Comes with this, like I said, the battery pack. But at the time, I think they had 50% off when I was in there. So I got 50% off on this one. So I bought a small one, and then I went ahead and picked up this larger size here. This may be their medium size. They might even have a bigger one. But like I said, they were 50% off when I purchased them. And then, like I said, online, I just looked. You can buy these in a set of 3 for $41. Now, of course, online, it says they're sold out. But check the stores, you never know. So I got those, so I'm happy about that. And then to tie in over at Home Goods, found this little fabric Christmas tree with the little bells on there, really cute. I was with my granddaughter shopping and I found these. And I'm real funny because this one is the buffalo check in black. And this has the gold bells on it, and you probably can't tell. And this one has silver. I'm thinking, oh, I want the two to match, but I couldn't find it. And you know what? When they're sitting on the hearth, you cannot see the difference on the little bells there at all. So I got a larger one here and a smaller one. And again, this could have been $16.99, $12.99. Not 100% sure on the prices because the tags are taken off. But I love these little fabric trees, and this is stuff that's new this year. And then I picked up, over at Hobby Lobby, picked up some red candles because I'm going to be using, let's see, I'm going to be using my lanterns again. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to be using my lanterns I'm not gonna say lanterns. I'm gonna be using my lanterns because I don't say it right. So anyways, I picked these up at Home Goods. I've used these in my decorating my fireplace for fall, and I absolutely love them. So I decided to keep them again this year for Christmas. So what I wanted to do is I definitely wanted some red candles to bring in the red on the fireplace. And these were not on sale at Hobby Lobby, but I did use their coupon, 40% off. And again, I think these were priced, I think I got these with the 40% off around $12.99 for these. And I did pick up 2 of them. And again, they're on a timer because who doesn't want to climb up on the fireplace, open up the lantern, flick the timer on or the on switch, and then have to go back up there again and turn it off. So like I said, you turn these on once, they'll stay on for a couple hours, you turn them off, and they'll come back on the next day at the same time. So that is a plus. So I have 2 lanterns to decorate the top with, and then also I am using a little window pane that I got over at Hobby Lobby. You can't see, but above the fireplace, I have it hung high. And what I like to do is keep that there, and then I'm gonna add a wreath to it. And I picked this up, I think this one came from Kirkland's as well for $19.99, and it's got the black buffalo check ribbon. And at first I was thinking, you know, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna go with the black buffalo check, or am I gonna go with the red and black buffalo check? But you know what? They do perfectly together. I think it ties in real well. So I'm sticking with the red and the black. And then a couple more things to decorate the top with. I have these little deer, and I believe these came from Hobby Lobby, but I've had these probably a couple years now. And then I have the red buffalo check one. This one's real cute. Now I'm not sure on the size. I was looking at these the other day at Hobby Lobby. This could be smaller, but there was one that was priced $50. I'm like, oh, that's way too expensive for a little deer, $50. But they did have half price, so it would have been $25. But I don't know, this one could be a little smaller. Maybe the one in there was larger, but this one, like I said, I've had for a couple years now. But I'm gonna use that to decorate with. And I have these little trees, and you can always, again, find these little trees over at Hobby Lobby. And I've had these, again, a couple years, don't have the price on them, but I love using these little trees, and I have a smaller one here. And then I purchased this wreath here. I did purchase 2 of them from Bed Bath & Beyond. They're $39.99, and I use a 20% off coupon on this. And what I love about this, again, I'll be tying in the red and black buffalo check into my decor, and I'm gonna be using these on my windows next to the fireplace. Gotta have my Ray done. It's gonna go on my little chair off to the side here. And this one says, Home for the Holidays, with the little red truck on it. Absolutely love it. And these pillows are around $16.99. So I'm gonna share with you behind me, I already have my garland up. So I'm gonna take you off the tripod, and I will share with you the garland because I already put that up. Well, here's a look at the garland that I already hung on the fireplace, and I absolutely love the pops of red that's in the garland. Now this came from Costco for $39.99, and what I love about this is the super white, bright LED lights that it has. And this is 9 feet long, and then when I hung this, my husband suggested that I use some zip ties. It works perfect. I already had some little nails in here to hold up the garland I had before, and then all we did is use a zip tie around the garland, and then all you have to do is hang it on your little nail, and it's definitely not coming off. So let's go ahead and decorate my fireplace for Christmas.
Christmas
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. I absolutely love the way the mantle turned out. I'm so excited for all my new Christmas decor that I was able to use on my mantle and my fireplace. Now, before I end this video, I want to share with you, on my way to my mom's house on Sunday, there's a Marshall's. I have to drive right by it, and I was debating whether I should go in, and I kept thinking, you know what? It's Sunday morning. It's probably been wiped out from the day before because the stores are always packed on the weekends. And I thought, you know what? I hate to just drive by and not stop in. I said, let's run in real quick and let's run to the back and see if there's anything back there. And I couldn't believe my eyes. There were so many red ho 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 canisters, even the white canisters. I think they said ho ho ho. I was just amazed that I was seeing some red, shiny red canisters on the shelves, and there was more than one. There had to be 5 or 6 of them. There was tons of Merry Christmas mugs. This whole display had nothing but Ray Dunn items on it. All Christmas Ray Dunn. Around the corner they had a bunch of stuff. So anyways, I made sure that I took some footage. So I'm definitely going to put up a Christmas Ray Dunn hunt and share with you some of the items that I purchased. So until next time, happy decorating.